Stop using generic email addresses for your business. First impressions are everything. It's time to move beyond the basics and step into a professional, ad-free experience with Zoho Mail. Zoho Mail isn't just an inbox, it's a command center. With a powerful control panel, admins can manage domains, set up aliases, and enforce security policies across the whole team in just a few clicks. Privacy is the top priority. Zoho guarantees a 100% ad-free environment. This means your data is never mined for marketing. Just clean, secure communication that keeps your focus on your work. Collaborate faster with streams. Instead of long, messy email threads, use social media-style tagging and comments. Tag your teammates directly in an email to get instant feedback. Stay connected on the go with the mobile app. Zoho Mail integrates seamlessly with Zoho CRM, projects, and calendar, creating a unified workspace for your entire business. Upgrade to the professional suite your business deserves. Secure, private, and built for growth. Sign up for Zoho Mail today and take control of your communication.